Object-oriented programming mainly revolves around classes and objects. Functions that belong to a class are called methods. The dot operator is used to access attributes and methods of a class. The init method is automatically executed when a new object is created. Private variables are typically prefixed with an underscore. The del method is used as a destructor in Python classes. A class in Python is declared using the class keyword followed by a colon. The constructor prints the value passed during object creation, which is TAML. A variable starting with an underscore is treated as private by convention. Creating an object from a class is known as instantiation. A class is a blueprint used to create objects. It defines data and functions that operate on that data. Instantiation means creating an object from a class using the syntax object name equals class name. The program defines a class variable and prints it using a method and object reference. In Python, the special method init acts as a constructor and runs automatically when an object is created. A destructor runs automatically when an object is removed from memory and is defined using the del method. In Python, class members include variables and methods defined inside a class. Variables are called class variables, while functions are called methods, and they are accessed through objects. A class can contain private variables and methods. In this example, 2 private variables are added and the sum is displayed using a method. The error occurs because the display method is deleted before calling it. Removing the statement that deletes the method fixes the program. The constructor stores the name and the display method prints a greeting message with the provided name. A constructor automatically initializes objects when they are created, while a destructor runs when an object is removed from memory. This program uses a dictionary to store stationary items and their brands. The user can choose to add new items or remove existing ones through a simple menu-driven interface.